Yo, what's up YouTube? Today's video is going to be going over how to hire a designer on Upwork. So basically what you got to do is head over to upwork.com, create an account, and then you're going to head over to post a new job, and then fill out what you're looking for. So you're looking for a graphic designer for merch by Amazon or Redbubble or whatever platform you're getting a designer for. So then after that, you just fill in all the information and ask for, and then just wait an hour, come back, and you'll see probably a bunch of people that made proposals. Now, the one thing that you want to remember is that you always want to counter everything that people offer you. So some will offer you $10 an hour, $6 an hour. So just play around with the numbers, negotiate down what you want, and then once they're ready to start, you can swipe my template of how I give them the designs to improve to upload, or you can make your own. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That'll help you scale your business pretty fast, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.